All right. Hello, hello. How's everybody doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. We're live again. Welcome back to the live stream, everyone. Hello, hello. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at gold, guys. On the 4-hour time frame, gold has created a bearish OB and a bearish fair value gap. And price is just now recently tested these two areas, and as we see, after retesting these two areas, price has rejected pretty good here, creating a bearish 1-hour OB right here at this level. And for that, why do I call this bearish OB? Because this is the buy to sell that took out this low and this low on the 1-hour time frame. And for that, this is a bearish OB, and now this is the swing high and swing low, eventually coming for the 1 hour. So in the meantime, on the 1 hour, we do have a bearish OB right here, creating a bearish change of character at this level right here. 1 hour change of character. All right, and if we drop down to the 15-minute time frame, we're gonna see clearly that price also retested the change of the 1 hour change of character, respected it, and kept dumping and dumping. And for that, during this Asia session, what I need to see is price at least come back to this area right here, tap into this untested 1 hour bearish OB, and then from there we can have a better vision about what's going on right now with gold. And this is the two scenarios I'm going to be looking for. Scenario one is price go all the way back to the bearish 1 hour, retest it, and if we see change of character to the downside with the body candle close, and then we can look for a retest to look for some sells. This is the scenario that I need to see happens before I take any sell decisions. And why is that? Because this OB hasn't been tested yet. Price just on the 1 hour retested the 4 hour fair value gap, respected it, and took out this low and this low right now. And on the 15-minute time frame, we do have a bearish 15-minute OB overlapping with the 1 hour OB, overlapping with the 4 hour fair value gap. So this is a strong area for me here to take a decision from, whether if price retest this area like I mentioned and create bearish change of character to the downside with the body candle close retest, we can look for some sells. And for the buy scenarios, I need to see price at least break above this area and this area right here with the body candle close retest to look for some buys. And why do I say that? Because this is a 4 hour bearish OB that price created, and this is the all-time high as well. So for me to be able to capitalize on some buys, at least I need to see this level and this level break above, retest to capitalize on some buys. Much better. We need some good music during this Asia session. We're gonna be seeing some volume during this Asia session, and this is what I see right now. Price has, as soon as the Asia session started, right here, price dumped, creating 1 hour bearish change of character. Okay, retesting that 1 hour change of character, and again kept going to the downside. And this is how strong the idea of a market shift. If you understand how market shifts, it's a very, very powerful mindset, because look, on the 15-minute time frame, price was bullish, 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 and then as soon as price or like market shifted from the bullish to the bearish is by creating this 15-minute change of character right here. This one. Right after, and I consider that a 1 hour change of character too, overlapping with each other. So after market shifted here, all we need to see is a retest, and this is what happened. Price retested this area and kept dumping. Now for me, this was risky sells to take. Why? Because price never came back into this bearish 4-hour OB. But since we created bureaus to the downside, this is a strong confirmation that price is going bearish during this Asia session. That's why we need to see now a retest to this area, create 5 or 15 minute bearish 15 change of character retest to go keep going to the downside. Hello, hello. Welcome to the live stream. Okay, let's take a look at GJ right here. The daily time frame is pretty bullish. Prices has been retracing ever since jumped from this area and this level right here at 199.137. And price has been retracing all the entire time here, at least for a couple months here. And so we're pretty bullish on the daily time frame. Now if we drop down to the 4-hour time frame, let's see if we can see anything. All right, price is pretty much pro-trending. Never broke lower lows. So break a higher high, create a lower low, and then higher high, and then lower low, and then a higher high again, breaking, creating a new high. And in the meantime, we just created a breakout structure to the upside by breaking above this level. On the 1-hour time frame, price has created this OB that never tested again. Right after retracing for a little bit here, price once again created another high, breaking off structure. So just like on the 4-hour, on the 1-hour, the breakout structure is right here to the upside. 15-minute time frame. Now, more likely I'm gonna be focusing on buying, looking for buys in this pair. Why? Because the trend is obviously bullish. And since the trend is bullish, we don't want to go against the trend. Unless if we have good confirmations. But right now we're pro-trending. We're bullish on the daily, we're bullish on the 4-hour, we're bullish on the 1-hour, we're bullish on the 15, we're bullish on the 5. No, we just shifted bearish on the 5. And why is that? We just shifted bearish on the 5 because price created higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, breaking below this higher low right here. So for that, this is the market shift from bullish to bearish on the 5-minute time frame. Let me say that again. Okay, so on the 5-minute time frame, we are bearish. And why is that? Why do I say we are bearish? Because it's simple. price was bullish by creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Until now, we are bullish. But since price broke below the last higher low, creating lower low, this is where we shifted from bullish to bearish on the 5-minute time frame. Okay. Let me see if this is better to see. Okay. All right. This is how you identify a market shift from bullish to bearish. Right here on the 5-minute time frame, the price was pretty bullish until the price broke below this level right here, creating a change of character to the downside. And this is a bearish change of character. Why is this a bearish change of character, and why this is a market shift from bullish to bearish? Because simply when price create higher high and a higher low, and then higher high and then higher low, and then keep just working up structure, higher high, higher low, and then higher high, and then make a lower low instead of higher low, creating below this low, then this is market shifted from bullish to bearish. And this is where the change of character happened at this level. Remove this so you can see it. Okay, this is where the change of character happened. When price broke below this low right here, creating lower low. So this is market shift from bullish to bearish. So now if we need to see another market shift from bearish to bullish, we need to see this level, this high right here breaks. If this high right here breaks to the upside, then this is market shifted from bearish to bullish. Kind of music. Where's my music? Alright, so price created this bearish 15 minutes OB. Price created this bearish 15-minute OB right before breaking of structure low right here at this level at 2730.34. So this is the BOS that was created right after creating this 15-minute bearish OB. Okay, so this is the BOS that was created after price created this 15-minute bearish OB. And now we have this OB and this level here at the price, the BOS that price created at 2730. Now all I need to see is price to retest this OB and give us either of sell scenario by creating 15-minute 5 or 15-minute bearish change of character. The body cannot close, retest to look continue to the downside. For the buy scenario, I won't be taking any decisions until after price break above this area with the body candle close, retest, and then create 5 or 15-minute bullish engulfing candle to capitalize on some buys. Now we clearly see some volume in this GJ chart right here. It's clear as a day that we do have a volume. Now you don't need any indicator to indicate if there is any volume in the market or not. You don't need any indicator to indicate if there's volume in the market or not. It's clear as a day that this chart right here is there's volume. And why? How do I say that? Why do I say there's volume? Because as you see, there's fair value gaps. Price created along the way, leaving orders behind. That price needs to come back and collect these orders. So this is how you tell that if there's volume in the market or not. You don't need no indicator or anything like that to tell if there's volume in the market. Zero indicators. And by the way, I use zero indicators. This is just a session indicator. I use zero indicators. So how to spot if there's volume in the market? Pretty easy. If you see fair value gaps like this one right here. So this is a fair value gap that price created on the way up. And to be able to identify fair value gap, you need a 3 pattern sticks, candlesticks. So this stick doesn't come to meet with this stick. Stick number 1 with stick number 3. They don't meet. And for that, this is a fair value gap. So if you see fair value gap just like this one, this means price went up real quick. Didn't collect orders that was left behind. This is when like people place buy limit, but price go up real quick. It doesn't, so they wait for price to come back and trigger their entry. So there's orders left behind here. And if you see a fair value gap, that means there's volume in the market. That means there's a lot of buyers in this chart right here that we see. So how many fair value gaps? This is one right here. This fair value gap right here. There's a small one where it covers, it don't matter, but and price about to create another fair value gap in the market right here. But we only need to wait for this candle to close in 2-minute time. As soon as this candle close, doesn't come back and meet with this tick right here, this is gonna be fair value gap right here. And what price like to do? Price like to come back and collect these orders that was left behind, always. Price love to come back to this area to collect orders that was left behind. So this is how you spot a fair value gap. Right now I see a lot of volume. Let me go ahead and tell you what I'm looking for GJ. And by the way, I'm still in this trade right here running about 170 pips risk free. This is the trade that I took from the last week, the one that was sent, the one that I sent here. This one. I took this trade on GJ and I sent 20 pips SL to break even now. Let it run risk free, baby. And today, just about when the Asia session started, right here, boom, price kept going up and it's still running about 193 pips now. Now of course I take partials along the way. As soon as price give me 20 pips profit, I SL to break even. I shift my SL to break even because at 20 pips I already secured some of the profits. Okay, so I don't care if price comes back and kicks me out. I already took profits, and then if price decides to keep moving, I take more partials. And now of course I didn't shift my SL to break even until right here. Price gave me about 20 pips here. I shifted my SL to break even and it's literally zero drawdown and still running. Do you want me to go through why I took this trade? Let me know, please. Wow. All right. Price almost tapping into the 15-minute bearish OB here on gold. So let's see. I already have my alarm set right here. As soon as price trigger my alarm, I'll be looking for this scenario to happen. So after this retest to this bearish OB, I need to see a market shift to the downside by creating a bearish change of character. Retest that change of character to look for some sells. Just like this. Now, how many here don't know what's a change of character? Please let me know. How many don't know what is a change of character? See, I have a few people here. Will be fun to chat about it. So price pretty much on the 4-hour time frame had created a couple days ago this bearish 4-hour OB. This 4-hour bearish OB right here wasn't retested until just today. Today price retested this OB. And for that, this is a strong point of interest area. And why is that? Because right after price creating this 4-hour bearish OB, it took out this low and this low right here, and for that, this is a strong OB. A lot of traders will be waiting for price to come back to this area and take action. And as you see, as soon as price tapped into this area, a lot of sellers tapped into the market. And now for me, following smart money concept strategies, I do need to see confirmations before taking any decision. And personally, I look for A+ setups only. Now, what I'll be looking here for gold on the 1-hour time frame, price has created another bearish OB right here on the 1-hour time frame. And this is a strong bearish OB because again price took this low on this low. So it's pretty much whatever we saw on the 4 hour, but we just zoomed in a little bit to see what price action is doing. It's pretty much did the same thing. Now this indicating that price is pretty bearish, and for that price created a BOS here right after creating this change of character to this downside. We created a BOS, and if I zoom into the 15-minute time frame, what do I see? I see price created 15-minute bearish OB once again. You see it, guys? It's the same thing happening on the higher time frames, the same thing happening on the lower time frames. It's just we're zooming in to see a clear picture. And as of right now, price almost retesting this bearish OB. Right after price retest this OB, I'll be looking for two scenarios. Now, scenario number one is price retest, create bearish 5 or 15-minute change of character with a body candle close, retest that change of character to look for some sells. Okay, this is a scenario for a sell. The scenario for buy, I do need to see price break above this OB with the body candle close, retest, create 5 or 15-minute bullish engulfing candle to look for some sells, targeting this high right here. Make sense? Anybody here have any question? Let me know. Like, if you don't know what's a change of character, let me know. If you don't know what's an OB, let me know. I'll tell you. It's pretty simple. Easy stuff. No need no indicators. I don't use no indicator. I use zero indicators. The only indicator I use is this session indicator, just to tell me what session it is. And for blue is the Asia session right now. I just want to welcome everybody to this new channel that I created. My name is Nai. I've been trading the market for 6 years. 3 years ago, I learned about SMC, and I became profitable 2 years later using SMC strategies and taking A+ setups only with a proper risk management. Now, it's all easy, simple stuff to learn, but once you learn them, trading is going to make more sense, guys. And this is why I'm live trading, is just to share my knowledge about this strategy and hopefully make it one of your interesting stuff, and to share how I am year to date have 86% win rate using this strategy. So you can do the same here, my friend. Let me know here in the chat if you're new here. If you don't know about this Telegram channel, go ahead and click on the link in the chat and join me here in this Telegram. This is where I send the analysis, so you can go ahead and read it with me, follow it with me. We don't need this one anymore. I'm gonna take it. There you go. Hello everybody, and welcome to the live stream here during this Asia session. I see a lot of volume in the market, guys, and being in a volume tells me as a trader that there's a potential position coming. I just need to see some confirmations here. Alright, we're almost retesting the OB. We're like about a couple pips away. We're about 10 pips away. And there's a rule that that we set. I mean, that was on the second time me streaming on this channel. We set rule number 1. And rule number 1 is no retest, no entry. Period. I don't care if it miss the point of interest by a hair. If it don't tab into it, I don't be looking for the next confirmations, because confirmation number one hasn't met yet, pretty much. Price now is rejecting on GJ. If price breaks below this low, I'm gonna exit out manually, guys. As soon as price comes below this low right here, I'm gonna take all my position out of this trade. The trade that's running risk-free, you guys remember? As soon as price gives me 20 pips in profit, I shift my SL to break even. I make sure I put money in my pocket first. And then if price wants to continue going up, welcome. I'll take it. If price decides to come back and take me out of the position, I already secured money in my pocket out of this trade. So I don't care. Make sense? Risk management, guys. It's all about risk management. Having win streaks takes risk management. Having 86% win rate year to date, it takes risk management. Your risk management, you go emotional free, take interest confidently, follow the rules and the steps, then you're gonna see income coming. Being consistent is what makes you money, not winning a trade or a couple trades here and there, or following a stupid signal. Nobody in the world should follow a signal without knowing what's the trade idea behind it. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin here on the 15-minute time frame, price has just broke below this bullish OB here. In the meantime, 2 minutes until this 15-minute candle closes, and it's gonna tell us whether it's gonna be closed with a body candle close or it's gonna be closed with the wick. And if it's gonna close with the wick, then price is still respecting this OB. The only way price to disrespect this OB is when this candle here closes below, and that's gonna happen in a minute and 30 seconds time. Only if this candle closes below this OB, then I can consider this is disrespect to the OB. If it closes within this range, the blue range, then it's still respecting the OB. Price might create a bullish change of character to the upside with the body candle close, just like this. Retest to look for some buys. This could be just a pullback before price continue to the upside, because we've been in the uptrend for a quite good time here. We've been uptrending, so this could be a good pullback for a price before continue the bullishness. And for that, I need to see this level right here is to be broken. And what happens when this level here breaks? This is gonna be the change of character to the upside. Price changed the character from being bearish to bullish by breaking above this level right here. Make sense? This is how you spot market shift. This is how you know when market shifts from bearish to bullish or from bullish to bearish. Just like right here, price shifted from bullish to bearish by breaking below this change of character. So price at this level right here was bearish, right here, just like this. So price was bullish, and then as soon as price broke below this low right here with the body candle close, price shifted from bullish to bearish. And this is how we got good pullback to the upside, collecting liquidity, and dumped for good amount of probably like 40, 50, 40 pips. Let's see. Yeah, about 40 pips. So the same here. This is what I need to see. I need to see market shift from the bearish to the bullish by creating a bullish change of character by breaking above this level right here with a body candle close. Retest that change of character to look for some buys. And by this scenario, we can confirm that price is respecting this OB right here. Okay, candle closed. And candle closed within the OB. So price, as of until right now, price is respecting this OB. Let's see if we can see market shift to the upside. I mentioned the candle need to close below the OB for me to consider this a disrespect to this OB area, the point of interest. But just because candle closed within, now this the new candle formed. Now this one too, the same thing. If it closes below, then it's going to be disrespect. But if it goes continue to the upside with a body candle close above this high right here, then this is going to be market shift to the upside. We can look for some buys. So something like this. This is a market shift, guys. Let's say this is a bullish scenario. Price going to the upside in the trend. Okay, price trending to the upside, creating higher high, higher low, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And then instead of creating higher low, price creates lower low, breaking below this low that was created here. So now this market shifted from bullish to bearish. Retest and then continue to the downside. Same thing. Break above this high right here with the body candle close, then this is a market shift. Price cannot continue to the upside, supposedly. All right, if that makes sense. So this is what I need to see here. I need to see change of character from bearish to bullish to the upside, breaking above this high right here with a body candle close only. And why I say body candle close? Because body candle close indicates a strong change of character. If it breaks above with the wick, that's a weak change of character. Price can pretty much just break above with the wick but continue going to the downside. Make sense? So this is what I'm looking for. Bitcoin, gold, still 10 pips away from my alarm. Oh my god. And rules is rules, guys. No retest, no entry. This is how you become profitable. You follow the rules, your own rules. You follow your plan. Risk management, okay? Go emotional free. Be confident about the entry. And then be consistent. And then you'll be rich. But if you don't follow these rules, you're going to be losing money, my friend. Trust me. I see volume in the market. I'm very excited to see a potential decision come in here on gold. Let's see. Let's take a look at GJ real quick. Oh, GJ is still trending to the upside. Rejecting this fair value gap right here. Can't be happier than that. I'm about 200 pips in profit, guys. 193 pips profit. Can't wait to add it to this list right here. As of right now, the trade, it says, is still running. But as soon as I close this trade manually, only if I see a change of character to the downside. So pretty much this is the idea. Now price is trending to the upside, right? There we go. Price just retested this OB, guys. Okay, but let me go ahead and finish what I was telling you here on GJ. So price is trending to the upside and I'm making pips. Okay, as you see, the trade is still running, I mentioned. So I'm making pips, right? If I see a market shift from the upside to the downside, then I'm gonna exit out manually. Why? Because there's a high chance if price breaks below this low right here, then this is market shifted from the bullish to the bearish by creating body candle close below this low right here. This is market shift. This is what we call change of character right here at this level. This is gonna be change of character. Now this is, in this scenario, this is a bearish change of character. Same scenario for the bullish is gonna be bullish change of character, right? So if I see price breaks below this low right here with a body candle close retest, then this tells me the price is gonna continue going down. I'm gonna exit out manually. Make sense? Okay, so price just retested the 15-minute bearish OB. And this is exciting, guys. Now, price breaks above this OB with a body candle close, retest. Now there's a high chance if I see a bullish engulfing candle, that price is gonna continue to the upside. If price decides to respect this OB and give me a 5 or 15-minute change of character to the downside, I need to see a retest to capitalize on some sells. Now if you haven't joined me on this Telegram, this is where I send the analysis. By joining this Telegram, you're gonna get the analysis that I send every day for gold and GJ. Alright, like I said, I need to see price respect this OB. If price respect this OB and give me 5 or 15-minute bearish change of character to the downside with a body candle close, all I need to see is a retest to capitalize on some sells. Like I mentioned, guys, here in the analysis, okay? This is where I send the analysis to you guys and to myself, so I can read it, follow it. You know, if the buy scenarios, criteria start happening, then I'll be looking for buys. Sells, here's the sell criteria. So me and you guys will be looking at the analysis together that I sent to the Telegram. Now, since we're here live, okay, we're looking at this analysis together. And this is these two scenarios that I need to see for gold. And for GJ, we're still bullish. I won't be exiting. I'm still in this position right here. And the only way for me to get out of this position if I see price breaks below this low. Yeah. Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is still respecting this OB because I don't see body candle close below this area yet. Let's see what's the 5-minute doing here for gold. It's all about top-down analysis, guys. So let me show you this this scenario on gold that you're gonna see the same scenario on all time frame. So for example, okay, this is the 4-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour time frame, price created OB, and then now price is retesting that the OP. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, same thing. Price created OB, and now potentially a price is gonna retest that OB. Okay, 15-minute time frame, price created 15-minute OB, and now price is retesting the OB. So higher time frames and lower time frames is just like zooming in and out. Sometimes you need to zoom out to see the clear a better picture, and sometimes you need to zoom in to see a better picture. But all is gonna make sense is when you start understanding how the market moves, the market structures, and when the market change the character, and when the markets shift from bullish to bearish or from bearish to bullish, and all that. And it's simple things, guys. It's simple stuff to understand. Nothing crazy, you know? Excuse me. All right, so price is almost to this change of character level that I mentioned. As soon as price breaks below this level right here, then I'm gonna exit out of this trade manually. This trade, the one I sent to the Telegram. I sent this trade here and I said 20 pips. SL to break even now. Which means as soon as price gave me 20 pips, I shifted my stop loss to break even. So let's see. Price here still retesting the 15-minute bearish OB on gold. Let's see 5-minute. At this level is we're gonna be the 5-minute bearish change of character is at this level right here. If price breaks up below this level right here, then that means this is market shift from bullish to bearish. Make sense? Alright, price is rejecting my level of change of character, respecting this OB. Alright, price is respecting this 5-minute OB, but for me personally, I don't take 5-minute point of interest as a strong point of interests. Alright, I only take 15 minutes and higher as a point of interest area, like this 1 hour bullish OB right here that I marked. This is my strong point of interest area. If price come back to this area, I'll be interested into getting a precision again. Now, if you take a look here, is price playing in between this high and this low right here. And as of right now, this is my change of carrier level. But if price decides to break above this high right here, then I'm gonna shift my change of character from this level to this level right here. Why? Because we have a new higher high. And if we have a higher high, then this is the new higher low. Not this one anymore. It's gonna be this one. Make sense? But as of right now, this is still the last lower low. Because price didn't break above this high yet. Alright, price on Bitcoin just created a 5-minute bullish change of character at this level right here. And also a 15-minute change of character. So this is a 5 plus 15-minute change of character to the top, to the upside. What does that mean? That means market on Bitcoin just shifted from bearish to bullish. Now we should see price continue to the upside, taking these levels right here. However, this could be a fake out. And why do I say that? Because price already failed this OB right here. Broke below this OB. Now this could be a pullback before price continue to the downside. Only if price breaks below this low right here, then price is going to continue to the downside. But in the meantime, we'll have the 5-minute and the 15-minute is bullish. So we should see some bullishness right here. Focusing on gold. Looking for a potential entry. And it's coming pretty soon. Alright, so gold on the 1 hour time frame is bearish. And why do I say that? Because it broke below this low right here. Oops, sorry. This low right here. This is the bearish change of character that price created on the 1 hour time frame by breaking below this low right here. Because this was the swing low, this was the swing high that price created, and after that price broke below the swing low. Okay? Creating bearish change of character. So the 1 hour time frame on gold right now is bearish. What price did? Price retested that change of character and kept going bearish by creating another breakout structure right here. After creating the change of character, this BOS breakout structure or continuation. So for that, this is going to be a really good point of interest right here. Price need to retest before continuing the bearishness on the downside, like this. I think I did too many lines here. Let's make it more simple, like this. Retest this OB, the 15-minute bearish OB, and create 5 or 15-minute bearish change of character, shifting from bullish to bearish by creating change of character with a body candle close. Retest to look for some sells, continuing the trend to the downside, targeting this low right here. All right. Price is still respecting this OB right here on GJ. I'm currently in this trade. Took partials along the way. And I mentioned as soon as price breaks below this low right here, I'm gonna be exiting out this position manually. Why is that? Because by breaking below this low right here, markets on the 15-minute time frame for GJ is going to shift from bullish to bearish if it breaks below this level right here, this level at 198.846. If it breaks below, this means this is a bearish change of character, market shift from the upside to the downside. Then I'll be exiting out of this trade, looking to re-enter at this point of interest area that I marked on the 1 hour time frame when price created this bullish OB. This is my point of interest for re-entry if price decides to come back to this area. If price decides to continue up, I'll be taking more partials. Let's get it. Alright everyone, good informations was shared during this live trading session here, and I'll be still looking for this move for gold here, but I'll be updating you guys on the Telegram like usual. Alright, and if you haven't joined this Telegram channel, go ahead and click on the link that I pinned in the chat, and this is where I send the scenario, and this is where I send the entry if I take it and what I do after the entry. And it's all about risk management, emotional free, confident about the A plus setup that you take, and making consistent profits using SMC strategy here. Alright, and I'll be happy to share this knowledge with anybody. If you have any question, feel free to go ahead and ask me. And for that, let's be looking for another pips during this Asian session. By the way, for GJ, I'm still in the position, and if I'm out manually, I'll update you guys in the Telegram as well. Alright, bye for now. Bye bye.